You can change your course preferences in your UAC application as many times as you like. But be aware that there are a few days between each offer round when your preferences will be locked. If you log in at these times, there will be a notification telling you when you'll be able to edit them again. To start, log in using your registered email address and password. Now you can see your preference list. To change the order of your preferences, click on the up or down arrow beside the course you want to move until the course is in the correct position. To remove a course, click the bin icon to the right of the course name. To add a new course, select the course start date and click Add Preferences. Some courses have more than one start date, so take care to choose the correct one. If you have any questions about your application, call our customer service team or send us an online inquiry.